Stalking Cocobolo's trails is a medium-sized cat, arguably one of the Neotropics' most successful. The Ocelot. Cocobolo Nature Reserve is home to a thriving population. We regularly pick them up on our trail cameras. A generalist, the ocelot is not fussy. Here you can see it eating a lizard, but they will also eat rodents, birds, and even small monkeys if they can catch them. This broad diet is thought to be key to the ocelot's success. Always on the prowl, they use scent to mark their territories. And our network of trails often form the boundaries of these territories. Although nocturnal, where they are undisturbed and where the threat from their larger cousin, the jaguar, is low, they are active also during the day. We were thrilled to observe this individual whilst conducting our nocturnal surveys using thermals. It walked right under our elevated platform, seemingly oblivious to our presence 10 metres above. After activating our ground-based camera traps, it sauntered off up the hill about its nightly business. Thermal is an amazing way to observe natural animal behaviour. Without a bright light to disturb the animal, the observer remains unseen. Through our nocturnal observations, we're hoping to learn more about life after dark.